I have already mentioned 10 plugins and scripts in part 1 of this series. And today I'm gonna talk about part 2, mentioning another 10 best 3ds Max plugin and scripts, starting by number 1, Cityscape Pro. Cityscape Pro is a game-changing parametric modeling plugin. It provides a complete solution for modeling urban areas, complex sites, parametric roads, curbs, curb cuts, sidewalks, grass, lakes, terrain, snow, and more, generated automatically with a single click of a button. Cityscape Pro comes with a state-of-the-art material library. The material library contains over 70 high-quality tileable materials that can be used within Cityscape Pro environment as well as outside of it. This plugin can handle massive city-scale models. It has the potential to save up to 40% of production time on complex architectural visualization projects. Number 2, Multiscatter. Multiscatter is a plugin that will allow you to distribute hundreds of objects inside your scene. It allows rendering engines to generate huge amount of objects to create a render forest or even a city in a blink of an eye. It's irreplaceable, especially when you create all kinds of exterior scenes with lots of trees or other repetitive elements. Even though the Multiscatter plugin is based on very scatter technology, but it's comparable with all popular render engines like Arnold, Corona, Mental Ray, and others. You will not have to worry about the level of scene complexity that will affect your workflow speed. Number 3, Polydetail. Polydetail is a 3ds Max plugin that helps you to quickly draw nice ornamental details onto furniture or ceramics. It gives several different options and brushes to create your own designs. It comes with 12 default brushes with the option to add your own custom brushes. Ornaments are one of the most time-consuming things in 3D modeling. With Polydetail, you can create a large variety of ornaments in a few minutes. Number 4, Forest Pack. Forest Pack is the most popular scattering plugin for 3ds Max. It's a very useful tool for creating forests and wooded areas for your architectural scenes. It comes with several different trees, plants, rocks, and more built in, and you can purchase or add more of your own models into its library. You can use Forest Pack to scatter selected models for its library over a defined area. Also, you can set the density of the object and add randomness by changing the rotation, scale, and position. You can change all of these settings dynamically in the scene, as they are only viewable in render time, making it light on computation power. Forest Pack includes all the features you need to create perfect scatter, and it's fully multi-threaded and highly optimized for speed and efficiency. If you can model it, Forest Pack can scatter it. Number 6, Rock Generator. This script generates random shaped rocks, low poly and high poly, that you can use in your scene. It has several different rock types. The rock can be easily resized and deformed after generation, so you can make plenty of rock types to spread it in your scene. You can change advanced parameters or simply use a random select button to generate detailed rock. If you want to create the same rock more than once, you can use the same seed number to generate the amount of rocks you need. You can create asteroid-like rock shapes, and you can use manual edit tool to manipulate rock shape, as well as the intensity slider to negative values of interesting effects. Number 7, Stone Placement Tool. This script is from the same developer who made the Rock Generator. It's an excellent tool for generating stone walls or floors. It collects some utilities for the creation of stone walls, stone pavements, and irregular stone pattern to simulate both walls and floors. This script automatically picks normal maps. It has lots of parameters like changing the wall size, the size variation between bricks and their offsets to make it look more natural. Number 8, Show Textures in Viewport. A simple check button to place on your toolbar to show or hide textures for all the materials in the scene. It can handle any kind of materials or render engine. This script was made in a way that depends as minimum as possible on render engine. It supports a wide range of engines and materials. Number 9, Wave Modifier. This is a simple script that can generate woven fabric quickly and easily. Modeling this manually would take a long time, but this script makes it easy to do. It has settings to change the density of the wave and even the shape of the thread. Number 10, MW Roof Generator. It's a Max script for quickly and easily generating accurate roof geometry from a border spline or roof angle. This script has its limitation with more complex shapes. With that being said, if what you want is a realistic type of roof, it's one of the best tools for that. That is all for today's video. If you find it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.